You see that? Fogged up my glasses. Anyway, ooh. I want to run an idea past you. So here's the thing that happened. I got a bunch of charts printed off a couple of years ago, and there was something happened during the printing process where it kind of wrecked the charts, and I'll show you what I mean here. So here's my normal chart, and over here, down this foot here, for some reason got all mixed up during the printing process, and it's consistent on all of them, right? It sort of did a weird sort of shifty thing. It should look like this foot over here. So I asked the printers, because I knew they were gonna, either recycle them, hopefully recycle them, or, just throw them out. I really asked the main lady there if I could have them, take them home, and maybe figure out something to do with them, because, obviously I can't sell them in the state that they're in. So I've held on to these for a bunch of years because I actually don't print my charts on Tyvek anymore. It's such a cool material. It's very durable. It's water resistant. But the printers, I guess maybe it happens a lot of little issues like this. It's a difficult material to print on possibly. And so they discontinued doing that. So I had to switch to do more of a standardized, sort of paper lamination system, right? But I've had these around, and so I've been thinking of ideas on what to do. And somebody gave me a cool little wallet, and it was actually made on Tyvek. So I spent some time this morning and figured out the design, right? And so I ended up with this little pattern here, which, looks kind of cool. Looks like a key or something, right? So this pattern, believe it or not, when you fold it all up, turns into a little wallet. It has 2 compartments, right? So you can keep your money in there, right? And then there's also a compartment on each side to keep your cards. And this has been a really great little wallet that I've used. And, what I have in here right now is my cards when our family goes to the pool, right? So it's great. I don't have to worry about this wallet getting wet, and I don't always have to carry around all these cards all the time. And it's such a small little wallet that I can throw it in with my actual wallet that I carry around with my license and everything else in it, credit cards. And now I know how to make it, so it's kind of cool. Before I start going into factory mode and making as many as I can, I want to see if there's any interest out there. So if you are interested in getting, these one-of-a-kind little wallet reflexology chart things, let me know. Hit me up on my website, balancingtouch.ca, and, write me an email saying that you're interested in it. And the only thing that you will have to pay is shipping, right? You can just pay for the shipping and I'll send it off to you, right? So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. And, if you have any ideas on how I can use these charts, these flawed charts, let me know. I'd love to hear your ideas. So far, this is the coolest idea that I have seen so far. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you're interested, let me know. Bye-bye.